These smart bulbs changed the way I live, and I didn't even realize how much I needed them until now. It's like my entire home upgraded itself without lifting a finger. Before this, I was always running around turning lights on and off, forgetting them, wasting electricity. Some nights, I'd be lying in bed wondering, did I leave the kitchen lights on again? It was one more thing cluttering my mind, and it cost me every single month on the electric bill. Then I found these Amazon smart bulbs, and honestly, they're genius. Simple setup, connects right to Alexa, no need for complicated hubs or apps. Now my lights turn on, off, and even adjust brightness automatically. Heading to bed? Lights dim themselves down for the night. Coming home? Front porch lights greet me automatically. And if I'm away, the system mimics my routines, making it look like someone's home for security. All from one simple app, or just by asking Alexa. The real upgrade isn't the lights, it's the peace of mind. Less wasted energy, less stress. A home that finally feels smart and works for you, not against you. Smart bulbs like these used to cost a fortune. Now, they're insanely affordable. If you want your home to finally feel modern, simple, and effortless, grab these. You'll wonder why you waited. Check the link below to upgrade your home today.